Welcome to Naseems Accountants, your trusted partner for business tax and compliance. Thinking about renting out a furnished room in your own home? You might be able to claim rent-a-room relief and pay no tax on up to £7,500 of income each year. Let's walk you through how it works and how to claim it on your tax return. Rent-a-room relief applies if you're letting out a furnished residential room in your main home where you live. It doesn't apply if the accommodation is in a separate flat or property. If you qualify, you can earn up to £7,500 tax-free, or £3,750 each if you're letting jointly with someone else. When you use rent-a-room relief, you can't claim expenses, claim capital allowances, create a loss to offset against other income. That means you'll need to decide, do you want the relief, or do you want to claim expenses? When completing your self-assessment, in the "Do you want to claim rent-a-room relief" box, answer yes if you want to use the relief. You'll then be asked if your receipts are below the limit. If you answer yes, don't include this income anywhere else on your return. If you answer no, you'll need to include this income on the "Details for Other Property Income" page, in the "Total Rents and Other Income from Property" box. Then, enter the exempt amount on the "Adjustments for Other Property Income" page in the "Rent-a-Room Exempt Amount" box. You can't use the property income allowance on income that qualifies for rent-a-room relief. It's one or the other, not both. Rent-a-room relief is a great way to earn extra income tax-free, but only if you claim it correctly. Need help with your tax return? Naseems Accountants can guide you every step of the way. Book a free consultation now on 01217714161 or visit www.naseems.co.uk.